that drift. That's like a 4 foot. Mark, go and embed yourself in that.
I'll jump onto it.
You're young. You're young. You're young. Look, on ahead.
Is it gonna hurt?
Yeah, he's the youngest. He'll heal quickest if he breaks. It's early, but it probably snowed last night in the mountains. So let's go have an adventure. This is my least favourite part of driving to the Mournes, is the fact that I have to go through Belfast. Well, I don't have to, but it's the most direct and fastest way. And to go through Belfast to get down that direction means going down the Westlink bypass, which ironically, for something that was built to, you know, speed up journeys, it's one of the biggest bottlenecks of the entire trip, because someone always breaks down on it, or there's an accident, or it's just not a pleasant place to be. That's why I'm one of the reasons why I'm down here incredibly early this morning. Ugh. You horrible concrete monstrosity. Whoa, look at that! Hi, shades! Morning, sheep. Sheep are not interested, they're having their breakfast, but here I am, Happy Valley car park, waiting on a few people to arrive, and then hopefully we're going to go do some running in the mountains. I've got all the essentials. I've got ski goggles with me in case I need them, and I've got shorts, so that's everything I need. I have also got quite a few safety bits of equipment as well, but I'm good. I was just about to say I'm really well prepared just in case anything goes wrong. I've got my massive snow shovel with me. This is what happens when you go with a picture on Amazon and not actually.
Wow.
Yeah.
One of them, definitely.
So Stephen, your buff says barf, which is not something positive I associate with running. What's barf?
Belfast activity of rock climber to fell runners. Generally, I go into the running end of it.
So today I'm an honorary barfer.
You're a barfer.
Barfer. We've picked up a look. Right. Start the watches.
Synchronized. 1, 2, 3.
It's really weird. We can't find where the trails normally are because they're covered in snow.
Even if I need up here, that's nothing. We'll get a coffee club. We'll get a coffee.
Yeah. So I'm out today wearing my Salmon Wildcross and a pair of good waterproof socks, nice and high on the ankle. Look, here's going for a different approach. He has leggings, but he's gone for the bare ankles, which is usually an indication of someone being under the age of 25. Look, what age are you?
Unfortunately, 31.
31. So, completely exposed ankles, but look at the hands. Look at the hands.
Dripping.
Got mitts on. Look at that view. Quite a bit to go. Look at that drift.
I know.
That's like a 4 foot.
You're young. You're young. Look, on ahead.
Is it gonna hurt?
Yeah, he's the youngest. He'll heal quickest if he breaks.
That was more importantly, you alright? Let's get the video.
That is ridiculous.
Yeah, that's wrong.
That's actually like a brick.
That's you can nearly walk on the wall now. It's on there.
And at the top of Meelmore. Can't see. I'm bleeding! Are you bleeding? The ice cut me! Oh, it's trying to crash again. No!
Oh no!
No, come back!
Come back, come back, come back! Come back, you big bee!
Yeah, there's something badly wrong with it.
Oh no!
That wasn't supposed to happen. Ow. On this. Oh, the props are iced up. Look at that.
Oh wow, oh no.
There's ice right down the edge of the props.
Oh wow.
I think that's what's happened. The propellers have got iced and then it's just
Goodness.
fallen out of the sky. I'll jump with this and you jump with that.
Okay.
Right, 1, 2, 3.
That wasn't soft.
This is becoming a theme. That's quite deep. Oh. Whoa. There we go. Down Meelmore.
Crossing or going?
And now straight up Bearnagh. Stephen just slipped from all the way up there. I was just
my life.
continuing to accelerate down the mountain.
Wow. That could have been.
How was that?
That was game over, that. Wow.
The way the snow is settled, there's a soft layer, a frozen layer, and then soft snow on top. So that's why it's so slippy. So if I brush this, that looks like that's the ground. But if I kick into it, I can then kick through to the soft snow. So he just slipped off that top layer. So as we go, like kicking in and gripping. Oh, that was scary. Oh, no. Look at that. I'll meet you in the middle. It's not. Whoa. Look at this.
Look at that. Wow.
Look at that. It's hands down the best weather I've put up here.
Has to be.
It's about, look, you can see all the way to Donard and then over this way You've got Dawn poking out, Binion way over there, and there's no one else here.
As the wind blows through my window, I remember it all so well. Winter came so fast that year, and just outside a cheap motel, I saw you standing on the sidewalk as the cold wind started to sway. With your head held high as our eyes met, I remember.
Figure this is going to be a slippy descent, so I'm putting on some yak tracks. Steve's got micro spikes bumped into the other two that were supposed to have joined us at the start of this.
It's just, who cares about what distance, what anything.
Down to Hare's Gap. That works until your knee skims a rock and bleeding again. Just bumped into these guys with a drone. They're gonna send me some footage. Right. James and Joe. Nice for you. They're all wet from sunny weather, is it though? More blood. Who's bleeding the most? I'm bleeding here, here, and here.
Oh, my blood's gone. My blood's gone. Blood gone. Sorry.
Right, Hare's Gap. Back down.
With no hair.
Back down. No, with no hair.
First gap and no hair.
There we go, back down. There's like 0.2 of a mile to finish this off to 6 miles, 6k in nearly 4 hour 10k. Well,
That's okay.
not quite the weather expecting, but that was a lot of fun. Have fun.
Thank you, Stephen.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Good day out.
I told Louise that I was gonna be home at, what time is it now? At 1 p.m. It's now 2 p.m. and I will not be home until 3:30. Oh dear. Well, lunch today is gonna be late, but how worth it was those conditions. Absolutely amazing. Definitely will say though, if you're ever planning to go out in conditions like that, probably a good idea to go with other people, and definitely get yourself some ice grips, because like those conditions are not messing around. If you start to slip, you could just go for it. So yeah, have fun, but stay safe, and I'll be catching the trails. Bye bye. I think I might need a new pair of shorts.